If you want to start earning a living or boost your sales as a voiceover or voice actor, then the Fiverr site is the perfect place to start. Every day, you'll have thousands of people looking to pay you for your services. You don't need to pay a penny for advertising or even have your own website. What's more, you won't even have the hassle of invoicing clients, as that's all done for you on the Fiverr site as well. As soon as you get a job, it's prepaid, and with the extras you can carefully add, your final bill can add up to hundreds of dollars for a single voiceover job. Fiverr is now the biggest freelance platform in the world and has turned over more than $700 million just last year. It all sounds too good to be true, but it can go horribly wrong for a voiceover seller if they don't know what they're doing. Inside this course, I'll guide you step by step and show you exactly how to use Fiverr to earn the maximum amount of money from selling your own voiceover services. Now, I've been a voiceover for over 40 years. I'm now a Fiverr Pro, and that's in the top 1% of all sellers. So I can assure you that I know what I'm doing when it comes to using Fiverr, and I want to share my secrets with you. I'll show you how to pick your very best and lucrative voiceover categories, how to spy on your competition to take advantage of their mistakes, how to create winning showreels for your style of voice, how to add music to your showreels, mix them perfectly, and even how to create a winning promo video for your Fiverr gig page. We'll look at how to create eye-catching thumbnail graphics for your gigs, and how to write a winning description that'll get you ranked high in the search results so you get more customers and sell more gigs. I'll also explain how to set up a home recording studio and much more. So if you want to discover the exact steps that I've taken to become one of the top 1% of sellers on Fiverr, you can simply copy what I've done and finally enjoy a lucrative lifestyle as a voiceover or voice actor. Then don't waste any more time. Let's get started. I'll see you on the inside.